Well, this is our pond down here at Anchor Ranch. It's pretty fucking awesome down here. There's a little island out there my mom built. But today, they're, well, you can hear it coming. Son of a bitch. Really? Oh, that's how he comes in. That's how he comes in. That's how he comes in to get it. Yeah, what this guy's doing, very dangerous. These pilots, this is a very dangerous job. I've seen them crash many times out on fire. Even where I'm standing is dangerous, but that was sick, huh? Huh? Well, you can't carry. I mean, water's heavy.
Yeah.
It's a lot more in there than you think. That's like a 2,000 gallon.